Hello, Vivek. Welcome to the
Hi, Suren.
beautiful house here in
We're here to
Artesia.
see
Coming
see
in,
the house in Artesia that you're
coming
talking
in,
about.
coming in. Yeah.
Thank you for letting us in.
You're welcome. Yeah. Let me give you the tour. Actually, it's really gorgeous home, total remodeled.
Remodel house.
Yeah, ready to move in. You can really bring the furniture. We have some furniture. You can also bring some furniture more.
Really
Your
relaxed.
whatever. Yeah, yeah. Let's go in.
And the
Give you the
firewall is
tour. Yeah.
remodeled.
Total remodel. Great color combination. It's a dining area.
Dining kitchen, I believe, right?
Yeah. Kitchen
Fully
remodel.
remodeled. Everything is
100%.
new
Yeah.
cabinets, new
Ready to
stove,
move.
dishwasher,
Yeah,
new
yeah.
sink.
Ready to
Big
move
sink,
in.
actually. What is it want?
We are going to actual
First bedroom.
bedrooms. First bedroom, lot of natural lights. View on the street, very comfortable.
Let's check out second bathroom. Or second bedroom, sorry.
Second bedroom here.
Second bedroom. Sorry, how many bedroom did you say it was?
3 bedroom, 2 bath, front house there. Also, it has second home.
Mhm.
2 homes in one lot.
Yeah.
Wow, that makes all the difference
It's a
than other house in Artesia.
possibility.
And
Rental
so,
possibility.
rental house, you can leave this house, main house, and you can rent back one or leave rent both. A lot of options. This is a second bedroom, total remodel again.
This is, I believe, the third.
Third bedroom with this is a master
Okay. See.
with a attached bathroom.
See.
Attached bathroom. It has a huge uh, closet, walk-in closet. Actually, this home is walking distance from Little India, Pioneer,
Yes.
right? A lot of shoppings, uh, restaurants,
Yeah.
everything close by
Even
actually.
99 Ranch Market and it's
Ranch
like
market
Rose.
here, a lot of
Yeah,
Pioneer and
distance.
cash and carriage, a lot of amenity restaurants, a lot of selection
This
gas
is huge
stations.
closet. This is a
Very huge actually.
closet.
Yeah, very huge
Huge
closet.
closet.
Uh, so now we are going to the second home. Okay,
It's in the back
second
of
home.
the second house.
Right on the second home. Right here. Let me take you to the second home. Little space here. You have a space here. Two homes are separate. Yeah.
Plenty of space despite having a
Yeah. It also has a separate entrance. Okay, the second home,
right.
you can come here from here, totally independent. So
Second house.
the second home is totally brand new.
Wow.
You can call
look at
second
this.
home, in-laws quarter, whatever.
Amazing.
Total brand.
Amazing.
I'm smelling the paints.
You spend the paint, yeah, I do.
So good. I love paints actually. When you smell
New-
it's natural.
new
Yeah.
house smell.
Yeah.
New house smell.
Stove here, the kitchen area,
Wow, this is very cozy. Very,
living room.
very comfortable. Good flooring too.
Yeah. Bedroom. I'm entering to the bedroom.
I see they have two bathrooms though. Is it
2 bathrooms. Yeah. The bedroom here,
two bathrooms, I see.
the full bathrooms. The bedroom here, very private,
Yeah, very private. With attached bathroom.
very
I see.
quiet. Yeah. This home has everything actually you needed. In both, actually, both. They have very comfortable, great location. So,
Love it.
love it totally. And if you have any information, if you want to get more information, you can reach out to us. We'll love to arrange for the tour for you. You can reach me at 714-709-1586. That's my direct number. We are here to serve you. Again, the number is 714-709-1586. Have an amazing Friday and weekend.